Is UENI Website Builder a scam? How can they offer to create your website for you for only $199? We see these kinds of comments a lot, and we're absolutely flattered that so many people think our business is so good that it must be a scam or that there must be some sort of catch. So today I thought I would debunk some mysteries, answer some of your questions, and stuff like that. So let's jump into today's video. The lifetime deal sounds too good to be true. And are there any additional fees? So first of all, there are no additional fees. It took us years of research and development to, create a process and technology that enables us to build a personalized website for each business at an affordable cost. But we've done it, and we pass on those savings to you. The lifetime package includes everything you need to sell your products and services. There are no hidden fees. You never have to pay a penny again. You also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just let us know what you didn't like about your website so we can improve next time. Apart from this special one-time offer, we also provide optional services and add-ons. A lot of our customers, after seeing the quality of the website and the service we deliver, choose to upgrade and expand their business with us. However, those that don't need anything more than what's offered in that one-time deal are welcome to stay on it and never pay us another penny again. They will still keep the lifetime usage on our platform. Are hosting and domain included in the one-time payment? And can I use my own domain? Unlimited hosting and maintenance is included in your one-time payment of $199. You are also able to connect a domain you already own at no additional costs. We offer custom domain names, professional emails, enhanced email marketing on our basic, plus, and growth plans, which are also available to you on a monthly or annual basis. Keep in mind that there's no obligation to upgrade to one of these plans at any time, but we know business owners value these additional services. What is the refund period? So we offer a money-back guarantee 30 days after you receive your website. If for some reason you think UENI is not suitable for you, we will gladly refund you. All we ask is that you leave a reason so we can continue improving our platform. What support options are available? So our experts are available on live chat 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. You can click on the orange icon on our website to talk to us. After signing up, you can reach us on the premium line chat by signing into your business hub. Don't worry, you're going to be talking to a human and not a robot. Why is UENI different from other website builders or agencies? We get this question a lot, and it's really simple. UENI is not a do-it-yourself website builder like Wix, Shopify, GoDaddy, Squarespace. Our team will actually build your website for you in 7 days. You won't have to spend hours choosing widgets for your website, editing the layout, or dealing with a complicated web design tool. You won't even have to write copy. We do it all for you quickly to get your business online in 7 days at a much more affordable price than, let's say, an agency would. In a nutshell, what else is included in the lifetime deal? So we'll provide you with much more than just a website. Other than building, designing, and launching your website in 7 days, we also provide lifetime hosting and maintenance. Your lifetime deal also includes everything you need to sell online, your shopping cart, your online payment integrations, and 24/7 online booking. And of course, an easy to use website editor so you can edit your information within seconds. We will also set up your Google search and Google Map listings so that customers can easily find you online, and you can build your online reputation by collecting 5-star reviews on Google. On top of that, we'll help you every step of the way, starting with a training call as soon as your website is live, and with ongoing support via the premium live chat. All right, Nelly, I'm sold. I'm ready to buy a website from UENI. What should I do? So the link is down below. The first step is to pay the one-time fee of $199 so we can get to work creating your website. Once that fee is paid, you'll be asked a few questions about your business, and you'll be asked to send us your logos, your images, your videos, anything else that's related to your business so we can create that custom website for you. After that, all you need to do is wait 7 days and your website is going to be ready. Where can I see examples of websites UENI has built? You can see a few examples of websites built by UENI on the screen before you. Just pause the video to have a longer look. We serve 1,000 plus categories of business, so if you wish to see an example of a website for a specific type of business, let's say a restaurant, a barber shop, a pet shop, accountants, personal trainers, etc., just click on the live chat icon on the bottom right of our website and ask us about it. Can I edit my website? Of course you can edit your website. Once your website is ready, you have access to the website editor. There you'll be able to change copy, update prices, images, colors, fonts, and a lot more. It's very simple to use and no tech skills are required. Are your websites secure? 100%. In 7 years with 600+ thousand customers served, we've never had a single security breach or even a cyber cyber attack. All our data is stored on Amazon Web Servers, which is one of the safest providers in the market. Plus, all websites come with the SSL certificate, which is included in the one-time fee. So all our customers' websites are completely safe. How can you afford to offer this deal at such a price? We know that a lot of small and starting businesses can't really invest a lot of money or time on a website. After years of development, we've come up with a perfect solution that integrates humans and technology. Your website will be made by real humans, but they have a lot of support from tech that enables us to deliver custom websites in 7 days for businesses all over the world. Is this a template website? Yes and no. Yes, in the sense that we have our own set of custom web designs that we use to build our customers' websites, and these designs are very versatile and have supported 1,000 plus business categories. Using our own design library allows us to offer small business owners an online presence at a great price and in only 7 days. But rest assured, humans are involved every step of the way to ensure your website is personalized based on materials like images, videos, products, and information you sent us after your one-time payment. So every website is unique and your website will look different from the other websites we've built. But that's the end of this video. If you found it useful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.